Lillybut and the Easter Surprise. Written by Lynn. Lily is a girl who loves exploring and discovering new things. She questions the world around her. Her parents lovingly call her Lillybut because she usually butts in to the conversation in her curious manner with, "But why?" or "But how?" or even, "But when?" Lily woke up. It was a beautiful morning. She was about to jump out of her bed when she noticed a note beside her on the pillow. The note read, "Dear Lillybut, I have hidden 5 eggs in your house. Follow the clues to find them all. Love, the Easter Bunny." Lily was so excited. "But why?" Lily thought to herself. "Why does a bunny even hide eggs in the first place?" Right now, it didn't really matter though. She was ready for a hunt. The first clue was taped to her door. Finish the rhyme to get your first clue. 1, 2, buckle my... shoe! Lily knew exactly where to look for her first egg. She left her shoes by the front door. The first egg must be there. It was, and there was a second clue beside the egg. It said, "Rub-a-dub-dub, you bathe in the tub." Lily dashed to the bathtub to find her next egg. There it was, with the next clue. "You're doing well, Lily. Now what do you think? We wash up the pots in the kitchen." "It must be the sink," thought Lily. Off to the kitchen she went. Sure enough, another egg and clue were in the kitchen sink waiting for her. "You have a shelf full of fun things to do. There's paper and scissors and sticky white glue. It must be on my craft shelf." Lily was having so much fun finding the eggs. She looked behind the glue bottles and found another egg and clue. "Your hunt's almost over. One more place to look. At bedtime each night, you love reading a..." Well, Lily knew right away where her last egg was. She hurried over to her bookshelf. The last egg had a note with it too. "Happy Easter." Beside the egg was a book all about Easter traditions. This would answer all of Lillybut's questions. Lily found a nice place to sit and look at her new book. Lily's mother came in the room and saw Lily reading. "Looks like you have been having some fun this morning," she said. "Yes, I have," said Lily with a smile. But how? Who hid all these eggs? Is there really an Easter bunny?" Lily's mom scooped up Lily and her book and snuggled in with her on the sofa. "Let's see what your new book says, shall we, Lillybut?" "We shall." The end.